I'm sure you're not all used to seeing me at the bare minimum, and that's because today we're going to be talking about these steps for your pre-makeup routine. Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a review on a primer that is part of a pre-makeup routine. And I say pre-makeup because when we talk about makeup, we usually mean like color cosmetics, whether it's foundation, shadows, mascara, brows, you name it. But when it comes to primer, I feel like that is always an afterthought. That review is always included with the makeup or the colored cosmetics. So today I wanted to do a dedicated review on the Guerlain Makeup Base Primer Loire, which is basically the gold, I think? The gold. I did receive this product complimentary through Octoly. All opinions are 100% my own. Guerlain did gift me this product. So rather than just talk about it, let's see it in action. When I'm doing a makeup look, whether it's a high-end glamorous look or just an everyday look, I like to reach for a primer. The primer and makeup base that I'm going to be featuring today is the Guerlain Loire. This product is absolutely stunning. What makes this product so unique and luxurious is that it's infused with 24 karat gold flakes. The flakes help to reflect radiance on your face. This is also a high-tech formula that offers a longer lasting finish. The gel melts into the skin to offer an intense feeling of freshness. I love how smooth and weightless this applies to my skin and how it adds longevity to anything I put on top of it. It also helps to maintain moisture throughout the day. With this product, a little bit goes a long way. So you only need a little bit on your fingers. You're going to feel it slowly cooling on your face. This is a product that I could see myself using in the summertime on its own, just to add a little bit of refreshing and cooling sensation to the face. And you're going to have that moisture, which is so needed in the summer. And you're going to have that radiance, which is something that I want year round. Now, I know that price point is an issue with products like this because you're thinking to yourself, there's so many primers out there, but I feel like you get what you pay for, and this product you're going to receive a lot of different benefits that some other brands might not give you, plus you have the added benefit of the actual flakes of gold. And I feel like that whole texture, that luxurious theme to it, you're kind of paying for that as well. So I mean, you could always get an over-the-counter from the drugstore primer that's just gonna, you know, you're gonna throw it in your drawer, or you can get something that you're gonna like display on your dresser, and it's like something that like it's a work of art, kind of like a work of art. So I mean, depending on your aesthetic, like me personally, I can go either way. I can take something that's from the drugstore and just throw it in my purse or my drawer, but I also like having products that I can display, products that I know that I can use sparingly, that it's going to last a long time, and that it has so many benefits to my skin, so I can cut out on using other products as well. So that kind of saves me money. It kind of all evens out actually. So that's how I feel about that. So have you guys ever tried the Guerlain Loire? If you have, let me know what you guys think. Is this something you guys would pick up? If it is, let me know why. If it isn't, also let me know why. Is it at the $74 price tag? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this straight to the point video, please be sure to like and subscribe. If you aren't already, please head over to Instagram at Recycle Stardust. Give me a follow there. I'm always posting food, fashion, flat lays, pretty much everything, including my makeup looks and my makeup recipes, which include all the products that I've used for every single look. Even though this look is super minimal, like I'm just wearing this primer, that's it, nothing else. In the future, I'll be filming a makeup look with it, but I did want to give it its time to shine. But I will be featuring a review on Instagram about it as well. So please be sure to head over there. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.